Hello everyone, Jason Schroeder here again at the BSRL project. I want to showcase an improvement that some of the skilled craft actually came up with, but I'm the only one that's willing to do the video, so I will show you yet again what improvement we have today. So these are shotcrete walls, and they have to be plumb within a certain tolerance from top to bottom because they can't encroach on our structural wall. So when we did the first lift, so the first 6 feet around the hole for that shotcrete for the shoring retention system, we then surveyed key corner locations to know where we were in space, meaning in the X, Y, in the horizontal direction. And so we know where the tops are at that flat plane. And it was our intention to then find out a way to make sure that we were plumb, or at least within that tolerance as we went down the hole. So we had that item, and our skilled craft and the rest of us came up with an idea to use the vertical laser with some jigs. So this one right here is able to reach high enough up. The red tape is actually 2.5 inches back, which is the distance that we want from the shoring to the face of the concrete wall. And so what we do is we position that laser to hit that red tape, and it's actually already positioned, but we go ahead and hold it on the predetermined surveyed locations up at the top, and basically use that red tape to position the laser down here at the bottom. So once I have my laser positioned right here to where it's 2.5 inches away from my surveyed location at the top, then I have a second jig that's shorter. So you're probably asking, is that really lean to have 2 jigs? But this one's shorter so that I can measure down the intermediate points. And it has my same 2.5 inches, and it has marks every 1/2 inch so that I can read if the wall's coming in and out. So I'll hold it down another 6 feet and hit the laser, and I'm right on point. And I'll bring that down, and right there I can see that the laser's hitting the first 1/2 inch mark, which means that shoring wall's in a 1/2 inch. So we're well within tolerance. We're good, we're at the half, and then once I'm within this range, then I can just use my tape measure to go ahead and measure the distance right here. So these 2 jigs allow us to know if our shoring walls are plumb. Typically you'd use a service with a surveyor. That's pretty expensive, and you don't get the information real time. So we think this is lean because it costs a couple bucks to make the jigs. We can check it ourselves real time, and we don't have the financial cost of using a surveyor. So that is kind of a group lean improvement that we wanted to showcase for today. Thanks.